So, finally, you registered your LLC. Congratulations! This is a big milestone. But here is what most people do not realize. Registering the LLC is just the starting line. What you do next is what actually determines whether this thing works for you or becomes a compliance headache. Today I'm going to walk you through the 7 essential steps every Indian should take after forming a US LLC. This is the practical stuff, no fluff, just what you actually need to do. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating your operating agreement. Think of this as the rulebook for your business. It explains how your LLC is managed, who owns it, how decisions are made, and what happens if ownership changes in the future. And a lot of people think that this document is only necessary if there are multiple owners. That is not true. Even if you are the only owner, having an operating agreement shows that you are treating your LLC as a separate legal entity and not just an extension of yourself. And that matters. It strengthens your liability protection, it makes your business look more professional to banks and investors, and if you ever bring in partner or investor, having this document already in place prevents misunderstandings and legal disputes. Creating an operating agreement today can save you a lot of time, money, and stress later on. So do not skip this. Step 2. Get your EIN. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of it as the tax identification number for your business. You'll need an EIN to open a US business bank account, file certain tax returns, work with payment processors, and carry out many official business activities. And one common misconception is that you need a social security number to get an EIN. That is not true. Foreign business owners, including Indians, can obtain an EIN for their LLC even if they don't have an SSN or an ITIN. Once your EIN is issued, your LLC is ready for many essential next steps such as banking, tax compliances, and building your business operations. It is a simple step, but it is one of the most important milestones after forming your LLC. Step 3. Open a dedicated US business bank account. This is one of the most important things you can do after forming your LLC. Never mix your personal money with your business money, and I cannot stress this enough. Keeping separate accounts makes bookkeeping easier, it simplifies tax filing, and most importantly, it preserves your LLC's liability protection. If you mix personal and business funds, that protection can be pierced in court. A separate business account also gives your company a more professional image when working with clients and vendors. I have covered this in detail in my previous video about opening a US bank account from India. If you have not watched that yet, I will link it in the description, and getting this right from the beginning will save you from countless headaches later. Step 4. Understand your US tax responsibilities. This is where a lot of business owners get confused. Just because you formed an LLC does not mean you can ignore taxes until the end of the year. Depending on the ownership structure and tax classification, you'll have different IRS filing requirements. For example, if you're the only owner of the LLC, the IRS generally treat it as a disregarded entity. That means the LLC itself usually doesn't pay income tax separately. Instead, the income is reported by the owner. One important thing to remember is that filing requirements still apply even if your LLC does not owe any tax. Missing required filings can result in significant penalties. So it's important to understand your compliance obligations from the beginning. You may also have state-level obligations. Some states require annual reports while others charge annual franchise tax or renewal fees. And don't forget about your federal tax deadlines. In many cases, returns are due by April 15th, and if you need additional time, you can usually request an extension. Understanding these requirements from day one help you stay compliant and avoid unnecessary penalties. Step 5. Do not forget about India and understand your Indian tax obligations. This is one of the most overlooked steps, but it's incredibly important for anyone running a US LLC from India. A common misconception is that once you register a US LLC, everything is handled only in the United States. That's not always the case. Your tax obligations in India depend on the factors such as your residential status, the structure of your business, and the nature of your income. In many cases, Indian residents may also have reporting or tax obligations in India in relation to their US business or foreign assets. Another misconception is that keeping your business income in the US bank account means it doesn't need to be reported in India. The location of the bank account alone doesn't determine your tax obligations. If you have paid tax in the US, relief may be available under the applicable provisions of Indian tax law and India-US tax treaty, subject to meeting the required conditions and making the appropriate disclosures. Depending on your circumstances, you may also have to disclose your foreign assets and foreign source income in your Indian income tax return. The exact reporting requirement depends on the residential status and the applicable tax rules. So, cross-border taxation can be complex. So, understanding your obligations early or working with a professional can help you stay compliant and avoid costly mistakes later. Step 6. Set up a proper bookkeeping from day one. Because every business should know exactly how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and where it is being spent. Good bookkeeping helps you identify trends, manage cash flow, and make informed decisions, and it can also save you from annual tax scramble. Instead of trying to organize months of transaction at the last minute at the time of filing, if everything is already categorized and ready, it reduces a lot of stress and prevents costly mistakes and penalties. So, clean financial records are especially important for Indian business owners with a US LLC because you have compliance on both sides. That is IRS filing on the US side and Indian income tax reporting in India. Bookkeeping makes everything easier and it gives you complete visibility and transparency into your business. Step 7. Stay compliant every single year. A lot of people think forming an LLC is a one-time task and then they are done. But it isn't. Your LLC requires ongoing maintenance to remain in good standing. Here are few things I will tell you that you should keep track of every single year. First, annual state compliances. Many states require LLCs to file an annual report or annual renewal. The requirements and deadlines vary from state to state. Missing these deadlines can result in penalties, late fees, or even administrative dissolution of your LLC, which you definitely don't want. Second, your registered agent. Every LLC must maintain a registered agent in the state where it is formed. Make sure your registered agent service remains active so you don't miss important legal notices or government correspondence. Third, state tax and renewal fee. State level compliances, depending on where your LLC is registered, you may need to pay annual state fee, franchise tax, or file annual renewals. These requirements differ from state to state, so it's important to know exactly what is required for your LLC. Fourth, federal tax and compliance filings. Depending on your ownership structure of your entity and tax classification, your LLC may have annual federal filing requirements. Missing these deadlines can result in significant penalties, so it's important to understand your obligation from very beginning. Finally, remember that tax laws and compliance requirements can change over time. Make it a habit to review your obligations every year or work with a qualified professional who can keep your business compliant. A little attention each year can save you from costly penalties and keep your business running smoothly. Alright, those are the 7 essential steps every Indian should take after registering a US LLC. If you follow these steps, you will have much stronger foundation for running your business and staying compliant. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really helps grow the channel. And drop a comment below and let me know which step you found most valuable, or ask a question if something was not clear. And if you're interested in practical step-by-step guidance on starting and growing a US business from India, make sure you subscribe. I post a new video every week. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.